What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's only been one day since I tried getting the hiccups from eating that tuna sandwich and failed. Needless to say, I had a pretty cool response already. User William Withrell commented just yesterday.
Hi, can you do a hiccup video please when you get there?
Apparently, I have some users viewing my stuff that were very upset that I didn't get the hiccup. So guess what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna eat another tuna sandwich.
You are about to watch Mr. Wayne try to eat another tuna sandwich.
And try to get these hiccups to show you what the heck I experienced. Now don't get me wrong, I've already taken into consideration some of the other users who commented already on the video, like Wonder Wallflower, who suggested, are you sure it's the tuna? It could be the bread, because bread has the capability of being dry and making getting your hiccups and your tongue tied. Alright, let's eat the sandwich. Tuna fish sandwich. Now, I know there's a couple of these users who've upvoted and watched aren't bitshares users, so I don't know if you know about bitshares, cryptocurrency or whatnot. But you're more than welcome to give it a look, check it out. Pretty cool community, crypto wise, Bitcoin stuff, you know. But bitshares is his own crypto. Just saying. That's where these blogs come from, actually. So if you're just like tuning in to watch me eat a sandwich and get hiccups, you should definitely check out Steam It, bitshares. It's a cool little community, social media related. Blog, make some money, make some cryptocurrency. You know what that's about. I've eaten half a sandwich, still no hiccups, so I'm gonna stop talking. Maybe that's the reason why I didn't get them yesterday. Got them. Just one. One again. Hold up. Oh, I think I got him. Oh. One hiccup again total right now. Almost finished with the sandwich. Are you freaking kidding me? Back-to-back days of letdown, just one freaking hiccup. Man, I have hiccup fits off this stuff, man. I'm serious. Usually I'm like, and I gotta drink some water just to calm my ass down. But this is a fail once again, only one hiccup. And I tried to get the hiccups again just to show you guys. That's back-to-back days of eating tuna fish sandwiches. I love tuna, but I mean, made that just to get the hiccups in. What the hell, man? Back-to-back fails? Sorry, guys. William Withrell. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna try it again. The third time. Third time's a charm. Oh yeah. Check out my blogs. And if you're just watching me on YouTube, come visit us on steamit.com. Check us out. Come on, bring it. Till next time. Peace.
Don't forget to follow my blog, esteem this post, and leave any creative comments and feedback in the comment section below.